Today I'm going to be reviewing Apexel, which is attachment for your smartphones. It comes with 4 lenses: a telephoto, wide, a super wide, which is a fisheye, and a macro. So firstly, it comes with a stand. This is the telephoto lens. Comes with 2 lens attachments, which is really good because you'll be using the telephoto and then you can go into wide. It comes with a phone holder, and these are the lenses. Very small. I can't wait to use them, so I'll be reviewing on a part 2. And you've got a lens hood that's standing outside, plus you have a remote control, which is take a picture, and that's it really. And you get a congratulation card and an instruction on how to use it. You get a lens wipe, make sure it's all clean, and you get a hood, a case to put everything in it, which is really good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next part.